Who is this imposing figure? A titan of raw muscle and unwavering focus, with a gaze that commands instant respect. If you're thinking of the Cane Corso, you've met the ultimate guardian from the ancient world. Famous as a fearsome canis pugnax on Roman battlefields, this breed is the definition of power and protection. But is life with a dog that can reach 50 kilograms and has a bite force that rivals a lion's just about security? Today we are embarking on a massive deep dive to uncover the guardian's honest truth about this iconic breed. The story of the Cane Corso begins not in a family home but in the brutal arena of ancient Rome. These dogs, the Canis pugnax, were then bred for one of the most terrifying jobs in history: war. They were also used in gladiatorial arenas to fight lions and tigers, showcasing their immense strength and unwavering courage. When the Roman Empire fell, the breed's role shifted to guarding farms and livestock in the Italian countryside. The honest truth about the Cane Corso's temperament is that they are deeply devoted to their family. They are naturally wary of strangers and intensely protective of their people and property. They are silent observers, often positioning themselves to watch the entire household and intervene only when they perceive a threat. If they senses that they are the leader, they will assume that role, which is why they require a confident leader. One of the most important aspects of owning a Cane Corso is consistent, positive reinforcement training. Socialization is also paramount. They must be exposed to various people, places, and sounds from a young age. A well-socialized Cane Corso is a discerning guardian, while an under-socialized one can become dangerous. The Cane Corso is not a couch potato. They are athletic and require regular, structured exercise. They excel in dog sports like agility, obedience, and even weight pulling. Without proper exercise, they can become bored and destructive, causing a lot of damage to your home. Because of their size and genetics, Cane Corsos have specific health risks, including bloat and joint issues. They are also prone to heart conditions like DCM and neurological issues like wobbler syndrome. The Cane Corso is a masterpiece of strength and devotion, combining the power of a warrior with a loyal heart. If you can handle the responsibility, you will find no love quite as steadfast as the love of a Cane Corso.